Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So today's video, I'm sure you guys have seen it around. I'm going to be trying Scott Barnes' makeup tutorial that he did with Tati. And if you don't know who Scott Barnes is, he's JLo's makeup artist and a lot of other celebrities. So I'm going to be following his makeup tutorial and hopefully I'll learn a few things that I can incorporate into my everyday makeup, or my going out makeup actually, because this is very glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna put my hair back because I don't want it to get all messed up.
Don't use primer.
Scott doesn't use primers. He goes straight in with the concealer.
I don't really need it.
Fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation so you don't see it.
I think I'm putting way too much, but guys, it just feels so weird doing this. Like I feel like a tribal dancer. When it comes to my nose contour, I'm not very accurate. Like I literally struggle to get it straight. Like
now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right? So I bring the light right.
I feel like that's the best I can do.
Sometimes you see really bad nose contour and it looks like they're behind bars.
So now I'm gonna blend it out using
We're gonna talk about Jennifer. Jennifer calls this cat paw. Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
And he.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just
likes to flick it out.
It's working. Skip.
Oh my god, this is gonna take forever.
Remember, okay.
And when it gets to the nose, he likes to flick it
like
up,
literally giving you all my secrets here.
So you don't get that harsh line that people get when they contour their nose, because to be honest, that looks just horrible. So just flick it up a bit. Flick it up. Yeah. Guys, how we cope in this quarantine lifestyle? Like, I sometimes don't know what to do with myself. Like, I wake up and I'm just like, sometimes I am productive. Like, I always, every single morning, I write a to-do list that I try to get through. Sometimes I actually don't get through all of it. I just do maybe 2 things, but you know, at least I tried. At least I tried to do something productive, you know? And I don't like to stress myself when I haven't achieved everything on my list, because there's always another day to do it. So there's no point killing yourself and stressing.
See that? See how the angles are already happening?
The part I really wanted to try, he calls it SNATURAL, and that is just contouring your face.
All right.
Yeah, so he started off with the jaw.
The jaws of life.
And I don't know if you guys can see this color, but it matches my skin tone, so I don't know if it's gonna make such difference. And then he takes it down to the neck to enhance the clavicle, because you all know everyone loves a bit of clavicle. I'm gonna go to the bottom. I guess I can see it gives it more of a shadow, so it's more prominent. Oh, I like it. Okay, so I guess on the face you can see it more. The color's more visible on my face. And then the forehead. Okay. Just gonna bring it down a bit. I mean, I don't want to bring it all the way down because I don't want to minimize my forehead way too much. So I'm just gonna leave it up to here. Okay. And then he does the lip contour as well. But I don't know if I should do it because my lips are quite full already. So
now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
Over. After contouring, he goes to the foundation, and I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant.
Ready?
He puts it on her body, so I guess I'm going to do that too.
This is so relaxing, you guys.
I don't know if it's going to make all the difference in the world because it's very similar to my chest shade. Oh, do you guys see that? I look airbrushed. Like every angle I turn, I have such a natural sheen. It's like I've had a tan. Wow. Okay, so moving on to my face. When he's doing this, he's very gentle, almost like he's patting it in, because if you do rub it, you're gonna blend everything together and everything's gonna look muddy. So yeah, gently pat your foundation into your face. And remember, we did the lip contour as well. He just patted over it. After he goes in with a cream blush, but I don't have that, so I'm going to be using my MAC Raisin.
Primarily better.
This one. And I'm just going to dust it upwards. You don't want to put too much because we want to look natural, okay? So you don't want to do too much. So just like that should be fine. So now I'm going to powder my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. Like pushing it into the skin. And just like pushing it down. What is he doing now? Yeah, so he's taking the powder and I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm just gonna blend it away. Okay. I'm gonna change the brush to this so I can get in the the corners as well. So the next step is highlighter. Because we're going for a natural glam look, I'm just gonna pile on my glam highlighter. I'm just gonna pile it on. Because why? Do you guys see that? Do you guys listen? Okay. The good thing about this highlighter is no matter how much you pile on, it doesn't look like you just slap something on your face. And if it does look like that, you can easily go back with your foundation brush, like the stippling brush, and just tap over it. Back to Scott's tutorial now. I don't want to mess it up. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, but I haven't gotten them done since we've been in quarantine, so I'm going to see how it's going to look.
Take over. I just kind of build them up slowly.
To finish it off, I'm going to go in with my Benefit brow setter to separate them. I think that's what he did as well, just to separate the lashes.
You need to make the eyebrows match. It just softens that, and it separates the brow really nicely.
The next step is to bronze. He just, apparently he said 2 strokes, so 1, 2. Do you guys see that? I don't know, but yeah, he takes it upwards. Oh, I guess I do see it. You just have to make it buildable. Just brushing everything up. Take it to the forehead as well. Now I'm just gonna go over to make sure there's no harsh lines around. Yeah. I like it on camera, it looks really airbrushed, but the only thing is that because I don't know if because I put a lot of concealer on, this bit looks really light, but hopefully once everything is done, it's gonna look good. So what is he doing? Lips. I'm gonna take my MAC Chestnut and line my lips. But because I did a contour on my upper lip, I don't think I'm gonna you know, overline my lips as much. Oh wow.
Yummy.
Okay, these are Victoria.
I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
Her name is Hottie.
Oh. I said this smells amazing.
This
like
important.
It smells amazing.
Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
Going out to the edge. Not I'm taking it and out into the edge.
The next step is the eyeshadow. If you guys know me, you know that I only wear like 2 colors on my eyeshadow, sometimes just 1. So we're gonna try and create this look, or do the best I can anyway. So the eye look is more like a neutral purpley, like bronzy purpley color. So I'm gonna attempt to do something similar because I don't have the shades that he used. Like, I feel like this is more purpley than this one, so I need to try, whatever I did, I need to do it on this side again. So, I don't even know. Seriously, eyeshadows are like my kryptonite. Like, I'm terrible. When it comes to eyeshadows, I am just terrible. So now I'm gonna use my MAC Jacobs eyeliner and just go over my eyelids just to darken them up a bit. And then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara.
I backcomb mascara in like this.
And he said what he likes to do.
It's weird. I kind of do this to it, like backcomb it in, as opposed to just going
the lash. So I guess I'm gonna do that.
And then like down and rolling it, and then I just use the point to kind of lift and
separate. So that's my mascara done. I feel like it's made so much different. I mean, that and the eyeliner has made my eyes pop a bit more. So now I'm gonna put on my lashes. Obviously, I don't have the ones he used, so I'm just gonna use my regular ones that I wear. You guys, because
I think you like it. That face told me everything.
I am.
As
love
always,
it.
I
I'm
like to
giving
take
you
a
clavicle.
flash and turn it like that. And you just break the band up a little bit. Spin down just a little bit and open just a little bit.
Alright, so this is the finished look, and what do you guys think? Personally, I love it. I love it. I just look so radiant. I look so bronzed, and what is the word he used? SNATURAL. I look snatched. Guys, look at this. Like the definition. Everything is... I am so happy. Like I am just feeling this makeup so much. Like, I can't even believe it's me. Like, I did that. I mean, apart from the eyeshadow, as you guys know, I'm not the best at eyeshadows. I try, okay, with like 1 or 2 colors, but that's the best I can do. But apart from that, I love everything. Like, let me come up close so you guys can see. Guys, this is me up close. You can't even see the creases under my eyes. And guys, so would I be incorporating some of these techniques into my makeup routine? And the answer is yes. Like, I definitely like the concealer first before everything, because sometimes when you put your concealer on and then you put your foundation on and then your concealer is a bit too much for the skin under your eye, and it makes it look sometimes a bit patchy or just too drying. But this just looks flawless and airbrushed, guys. Like, it just looks flawless and airbrushed. And obviously, because we did the contour underneath as well, so everything just looks like it's glowing from within, like it's my skin. I am feeling myself. Let me just take my hair down. I am feeling this. I definitely love this foundation, like this whole makeup tutorial. So when I first saw this video, I thought, oh my god, it's gonna look horrible. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna manage to do this. But right now, just looking at myself, I'm feeling it. Oh, I'm feeling it. I just wish I had somewhere to go, but no, I'm stuck. at home. I'm really feeling this, guys. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below if you think I did well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial that I did. But as you can see, you don't need to spend lots of money on expensive products. You can easily use what you have in your makeup collection and make it work. Guys, I am feeling this look. I just want to take myself out on a date right now. Like, that is how much I love this look. Thank you guys for watching again. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later.